Good morning, England. Can you hear the bells for 7 o'clock? See? There we are. That's 29. That's Romania, of course. Us, the Romanians. If you don't see. Yeah? And here's the junkies. That's the difference between normal people and junkies. So 8 years these people have been here, and they all witnessed everything that I've witnessed in the last 4 months, what the council have done, and they send me letter because I've blown it all up and I exposed them to everyone. So yeah, look how nice it is today. It's beautiful, isn't it? A crazy jeep. Very nice. There you are. So we got witnesses from Romania for the last 8 years. Plus I've got 4 months here, another Romanian inside with me, happened to be. Bye bye.